Hello students, today I'm going to do a question from grade 8, the lesson called time. Okay, so let me read the question. Everyone listen. An aeroplane takes off from Dubai, located in the +4 time zone at 13. What do you mean by 13 in 24 hours? That is in 24 hours clock, right? So 13 means 1 p.m. It arrives in Manila in Philippines, located in the +8 time zone at 20. That means 8 p.m. Okay, so this type of question should be done by using the number line. Okay, you have to draw the number line to do this. So let me draw the number line. Right. So the countries are given. An aeroplane takes off from Dubai, located in the +4 time zone. So +4, I'm going to write +4 here. So the place is Dubai, and the time when the aeroplane takes off from Dubai, the time is 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Right. And then they are talking about the other country, the next place. It arrives in Manila. The time zone in Manila is +8. So +8 means after +4 you have +8, right? This side, the right side, you have the +8. So Manila, it arrives in Manila at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Right. So now, before going to this sum, I have to tell you one thing. The time zone is here +4, here it's +8. Then the difference between the two time zone is 4 hours. So 4 hours, right? The difference between the two time zone is 4 hours. Okay. So if you want to come back from Manila to Dubai, you have to subtract 4 hours. Okay, with that appropriate time, with that respective time, you have to come back to Dubai. You have to subtract 4 hours. If you want to go to Manila, you have to add 4 hours with the time of Dubai. Remember that, right? Let me read the first question. Why find the time in Manila when the aeroplane departs from Dubai? So that means when the aeroplane departs from Dubai, the time is 1 p.m. So with 1 p.m., you have to add 4 hours to get the time in Manila. Okay, when the aeroplane takes off, the time in Manila, that is the question they are asking. So let me write the time in Manila when the aeroplane departs from Dubai. So what should I do? I should add 4 hours with 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. plus 4 hours. So what is the answer? 5 p.m. 5 p.m. That means 17 in 24 hours clock, right? Right. So second question, find the time duration of the flight. Okay, listen. When the flight takes off from the Dubai, the time in Manila is 5 p.m. Okay. When it arrives at Manila, the time is 8 p.m. So can you do the calculation in your mind? The time duration for the journey. Here it's 8 p.m. The flight arrives in Manila is 8 p.m. the time. But when it takes off from Dubai, the time in Manila is 5 p.m. So the time duration for the journey is 3 hours, because from 8 p.m. you can subtract 5 p.m. That is 3 hours, right? So second question, you can answer the second question. The time taken for the journey. The time taken for the journey. The time taken for the journey is 8 p.m. From 8 p.m., you're going to subtract 5 p.m. So the answer, 3 hours. The time taken for the journey. Right. Third question. What is the time in Dubai when the aeroplane arrives in Manila? Okay, that can be done in two ways. Listen, what is the time in Dubai when the aeroplane arrives in Manila? When the aeroplane arrives in Manila, the time is 8 p.m. Okay, then if you want to go back to Dubai to find out the time respect to 8 p.m., you have to subtract 4 hours. So you will get 4 p.m. there. So when the aeroplane arrives in Manila, the time in Dubai is 4 p.m. Okay, that is one way. The other way is the time taken for the journey is 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. So here, when the aeroplane takes off from Dubai is 1 p.m., the duration for the journey is 3 hours. So if you add 3 hours with this time, you will get 4 p.m. Okay, both the answers are correct. So third question, I can write the answer like this. I'm going to write the time in Dubai, when the aeroplane arrives in Manila, what should I do? I'm going to add 1 p.m. with 3 hours. Okay, 1 p.m. with 3 hours. So the answer, 4 p.m. Hope you all understood. So if you have any question, you can ask me. This is also asked from a student. This is in your textbook, right? This question is in your textbook. This is the last sum in the lesson time. Okay, you can go through that. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.